Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Anyways, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Adams.
And I'm Jessica.
Today, we have a really exciting lesson for you.
Yes, we will talk about how to introduce yourself in English, like a native speaker.
Oh, that's so useful. We all need to introduce ourselves, right?
Exactly. At school, at work, at parties, online, everywhere.
But before we start, don't forget something important
Yes, please subscribe to our channel.
and give us a like if you want to keep learning with us.
And of course, share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, let's go.
Introducing yourself is one of the first things you do in a conversation. But many learners feel nervous.
Or maybe they use the same boring sentences again and again.
Don't worry. Today we'll give you simple steps, real examples, and practice.
By the end, you will sound more natural, like a native speaker.
Are you ready?
Let's start.
The first step is easy. Just say hello.
You can say, hi, hello, hey.
If you want to be a little more formal, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello, how are you?
Pause the video, say 3 different greetings out loud.
Then write one of them in the comments. After hello, tell your name.
You can say, I'm Jessica, or my name is Jessica.
Or even shorter, Adams with a smile.
Yes, that feels friendly and natural.
Let's give examples.
Hi, I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Adams. Great to see you. And
After your name, ask the other person's name.
easy question. What's your name?
Or more natural. And you? Or how about you?
Example.
Hi, I'm Jessica. What's your name?
I'm Adams. Nice to meet you, Jessica. Pretend you meet someone. Introduce yourself. Then ask their name. Practice speaking now.
People often ask, where are you from?
Good answer. I'm from Canada. Or I come from Pakistan.
If you want to be natural, you can add more.
I'm from Brazil, but I live in London now.
I'm from Japan, a small town near Tokyo.
After name and country, people ask, what do you do?
That means your job, your studies, or your main activity.
I'm a student. Or I work as a teacher.
Or I'm learning English online right now.
Short and simple is best.
Pause and make a sentence. Or I work as.
Say it out loud 3 times.
To make your introduction interesting, share a hobby.
Example, in my free time, I like playing football.
Or I enjoy reading books and cooking.
Easy and natural.
Let's try role play.
Hi, I'm Adams. I'm from England. I'm a teacher. I enjoy hiking.
Hello, I'm Jessica. I'm from the USA. I'm a student. I love dancing. Nice to meet you.
If you want to sound really natural, add a fun fact.
Like, I have a dog named Sunny.
Or, I love chocolate, maybe too much.
People remember you when you add something small and funny. Pause and think of one fun fact about you.
Then write it in the comments.
Don't only talk about yourself, ask the other person.
Yes, ask something like, what about you? Or, and you?
This makes the conversation continue.
Example,
I'm Jessica. I'm from the USA. What about you?
I'm Adams. I'm from England. Nice to meet you.
Okay, now let's make a full introduction.
Listen carefully.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from the USA. I'm a student. I love dancing. I have a cat. What about you?
Hello, I'm Adams. I'm from England. I'm a teacher. I enjoy hiking. I love pizza. Nice to meet you, Jessica. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and make your own introduction.
Say hello. Your name, where you're from, what you do, one hobby, and one fun fact.
Practice until it feels natural.
Tip 1. Smile when you introduce yourself. Tip 2. Keep sentences short.
Tip 3. Don't worry about mistakes. People will still understand.
Tip 4. Practice again and again. The more you practice, the easier it feels. Wow, that was fun. Now you know how to introduce yourself in English like a native.
Yes, and remember, you don't need big words. Just simple, clear sentences.
Friends, now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in the comments.
We will read your introductions and maybe reply to some of them.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Yes, help more people learn English with us.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on Learn English Anyways.